Leago and the Lost Shooting Star. To my son, you are made of magical kindness and God's infinite love. Never be afraid to share that with others. Leago was relaxing on Lesedi when he spotted a shooting star darting back and forth, looking very worried. "Stella, did you see that shooting star? It looks lost. Let's go check it out." "Hi there. What's wrong?" "Oh, I'm lost. I was heading to the meteor field, but I got turned around. Now I can't find my way back, and the darkness scares me." "Oh, don't worry. Stella and I will help you find the way. Let's start by calming down." Leago held the shooting star's lights in his hands and whispered a short prayer. "Dear God, guide us through the stars to help our friend find its way home." Suddenly, Leago's star Lesedi shone brightly, lighting up a path. "Follow me! This is the way to the meteor field." "Oh, thank you, Leago. I've never met anyone so kind." "Remember, when we help others, we're sharing God's love." The shooting star zipped away happily, and Leago and Stella returned to Lesedi, feeling the warmth of doing something good. When you help others, you reflect God's love.